Hi everyone, Erick with SkinzTek. We're working on this Acura Integra. We're going to install this window real quick live just so y'all can check it out. We're also going to go through the steps as we do this. I always start out by cleaning out the gasket really good. So I hit it with the towel. And I go all the way around. From there, we spray the window. Clean it with a scrubby pad. You want to make sure that you get the top of the glass really good. It holds a lot of contamination. And then from there, we're going to use the gator blade. The reason I like to use this one is because the edge is kind of sharp. So it helps you clean the window really good without using any metal blades. Less chances of scratching the glass. Get the whole window. Spray it down real quick. Clean the top of the glass. And then this is just a window squeegee, cleaning squeegee. Little foot for the edges. Push that water down. If there's any contamination, it'll go down with that water. Roll the window down a little bit. Let me clean the outside so we can see what we're doing the install. Alright, and this window's ready. So what we're gonna do is, I don't think I hit the edge. I'm gonna hit it real quick with the little foot. Okay. So we're going to spray the edges first, and you want to spray down at an angle. That way, in case there's any contamination, it just rolls down. Same thing with the bottom. And then spray the center. We come over to our glass. Peel the liner off the film. And here we just touch the edges barely, and then you let it go from one side. This is called bottom loading. So we're gonna slide the bottom in first, and then we line up the top. And then here you want to get as close as possible to the top. As you can see right there, we have a minimal gap. So that's what we want to see. Ooh. Right there. I like to use the side swiper to squeegee out the water. When you're squeegeeing out the water, you want to do overlapping squeegee strokes. So you're kind of doing about 50-50. Fine. Before I roll it up, I always clean the top, make sure we get all the water off of it. And then I put a little bit of heat. it up, then squeegee out the rest. When I'm installing, I like to use the easy reach on the edges to get the water out from the gaskets and also the bottom. Then I always do 2 passes. My first pass is just to push the water and kind of see what the film's looking like, and then the second one you actually want to push out as much water as you can. So this one's actual harder push. And then if you come right here, we always use door panel covers to try to minimize water on your panels, keeping them cleaner, keeping some water off of it. After we do the install, we check all the edges. We look for contamination, creases, water, anything that could have been left behind. But this one came out real clean. Thank you for watching.